हेलो एवरीवन। तो आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है दैट इज इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री। और इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री यू नो name as a name suggests electrochemistry. So it is dealing with electrical energy and chemical energy. So in electrochemistry or electrochemical cell and electrolytic cell, so we will focus here on electrochemical cell and electrochemical cell. It is a device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy. In electrochemical cell, a spontaneous reaction takes place in which chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. And in electrolytic cell, the cell occurs or cell takes place with the help of battery. In this case, in electrolytic cell, it is a device which converts electrical energy into chemical energy. Okay, chemical reactions, they can be used to produce electrical energy. Chemical reactions can be used to produce electrical energy, and that is in electrochemical cells. And conversely, electrical energy can be used to carry out chemical reactions which do not proceed spontaneously. So those are electrolytic cells. In electrolytic cells, reactions taking place, they are non-spontaneous. So non-spontaneous reaction takes place with the help of battery. So electrical energy is converted into chemical. And in electrolytic cell, reaction is spontaneous. So it is dealing with spontaneous chemical reaction, and in this spontaneous chemical reaction, chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. Okay, now come to the next part. Electrochemistry. So what is electrochemistry? It is a squeezed during spontaneous chemical reaction. See, study of production of electricity from energy released during spontaneous chemical reactions. And what is this? Chemical cells. In electrochemical cells, chemical energy produced during the spontaneous chemical reaction that is used to produce electricity. And the use of this electrical energy to bring about non-spontaneous chemical transformations, that is the electrolytic cell. Use of electrical energy. So with the help of battery, non-spontaneous reactions are made to proceed, okay, to occur non-spontaneous, because non-spontaneous reaction means those reactions which cannot take place by its own. So with the help of battery, these non-spontaneous chemical reactions are made to proceed in the forward direction, right? So that is, as a whole, is known as electrochemistry. And subject is of importance both for theoretical as well as practical considerations. A large number of metals, sodium hydroxide, chlorine, fluorine, and many other chemicals are produced by electrochemical methods. This production of sodium hydroxide we have done in class 11. Production of metals like sodium. Sodium metal, produce sodium metal, sodium ion is electrolyzed by the electrolysis of sodium chloride in fused state. If we use aqueous NaCl, then in place of sodium, we get hydrogen gas. So electrolysis of fused sodium chloride will produce sodium at cathode. Production of this metal is an application of electrochemistry. Batteries that we will discuss in the last part of this chapter. Fuel cells, same. They convert chemical energy into electrical energy and are used on a large scale in various instruments and devices. And the reactions carried out electrochemically can be energy efficient and less polluting because they are pollution free, they are efficient. Therefore, study of electrochemistry is important for creating new technologies that are eco-friendly. And the era of eco-energy is at the top nowadays because pollution is increasing day by day. So electrochemistry, study of electrochemistry is very important for the research purpose as well. So the transmission of sensory signals through cells to brain and vice versa, and communication between the cells are known to have electrochemical region. Even biochemistry, biology, transmission of sensory signals through cells to brain and vice versa, as well as communication between the cells, that is of electrochemical origin. And electrochemistry is therefore a very vast interdisciplinary subject, but in this unit we will cover only some of its important elementary aspects. एनसीईआरटी का परसों का इलेक्ट्रो करा दीजिए, परसन का इलेक्ट्रो okay. So now electrochemical cells. So electrochemical cell, so first of all, zinc copper cell, that is also called Daniell cell. And this cell converts chemical energy liberated during the redox reaction into electrical energy. So zinc copper cell of zinc, it is minus 0.76 volt, and E naught value, that is plus 0.34 volt. This E naught metal to metal ion to metal, that is called standard reduction potential. What is this? 10 is more than standard potential of zinc. That's why this will decide that which one act as cathode and one act as anode. So see, E naught value of copper is greater than E naught value of zinc, because value of for copper is plus 0.34 volt and value for zinc is minus 0.76 volt. This way we can have an idea that copper has higher standard reduction potential than zinc cathode, because the one where reduction takes place, that act as cathode. So obviously the one which has higher reduction potential, at that electrode reduction takes place. Obviously at our electrode reduction takes place, and at zinc oxidation takes place. So, and keep in mind this lone. Lone means left, oxidation, anode, negative. This is representation of the electrochemical cell. Only keep in mind lone word. The one where oxidation takes place is on the left side, and the other one where reduction takes place, that should be on the right side. So out of copper and zinc, reduction potential of zinc is less, and so zinc acts as anode where oxidation takes place, and that should be on the left side, and it will get the negative sign. Okay, how do we know and why it will get a negative sign and other one will get positive sign? Because this electron, zinc is a source of electron, because on zinc oxidation takes place. So when oxidation takes place, this will get positive, and electrons are accumulated